Here we go. We're going to get some awesome views looking over the Egyptian area now of Parc Astérix. Oh, there's Citatis over on the right. Oh wow, look at the views from on this. First time riding, and oh wow, they put this in a great location. And yeah, and there's the main road. Feels so immersive, this area, you wouldn't think you were right next to the main road. Wow. It's great because you've got the two standout coasters right here and this in the middle of them, so you just get them aerial views. Excellent. Perfect positioning. You get a great idea on the layouts of both Citatis and, of course, Osiris over here as well, from the air. You also get to see what a beautiful area we're in here, on the outskirts of Paris, and all the trees, it's gorgeous. And that breeze is quite nice on here, especially on a hot day. Good long cycle on here as well. There goes the B&M Beauty. Well, that was excellent, really enjoyed that. Brilliant location for a really tall attraction to get those brilliant views. Egypt, what a great area of the park.